What's up, guys? It's me, Pokebacks with Pax, and I hope everybody's having a wonderful day, especially because it's Easter Sunday, guys. Happy Easter, and hope everybody's enjoying that beautiful weather, because I know I am. I will be all day. And just to crack it off, we will be opening up some Crown Zenith packs today, and Scarlet and Violet. Just two little booster packs just to get it started, because I know Scarlet and Violet did just come out, so we will be opening some of that. We have to. And then I'll be opening up these things. I think they're called tins, is what most people call them. Which will be opening up 12 of the Crown Zenith packs, because each one's got 4, and I got all 3 of them. Ooh. We got one. Got the Zapdos, and we got the Moltres, and then one that fell. Pretty sweet, guys. I'll get into these more on the flip side, obviously. It's just gonna be a quick little video of me just opening up some tins for Crown Zenith. I know I said I was gonna be opening up some Crown Zenith, so here we are. We're going to be doing that today, so don't go nowhere. And again, on that 100 subscriber giveaway, I will be doing something Crown Zenith related. Some product, either it's gonna be some packs or a little premium box or something like that. It might even be a 10. I don't know. Just let me guys know. Let me know. And but yeah, we got 1, 2, and 3. So I'll see you guys on the flip side, and I hope you guys have a wonderful day. We are back on the flip side, Pokemon community. I hope everybody's having a wonderful Easter, if not already had a wonderful Easter, because I know I did. But we are back to opening up these packs that the Easter Bunny has dropped off and left at my door. Before we get into these, though, comment down below if you're Team Galarian Moltres, Team Galarian Articuno, or Galarian Zapdos. You let me know down below, guys. I would love to hear from you. And to start it off, we're going to be opening up Scarlet and Violet. Just like I said earlier, we were going to get into these. Look at these. Just got 2 little pack arts. I know I should have got all 4, but this was just a gift. So no beggars, no choosers. I'm happy with these. So look at those pack arts, though. You can get pretty neat. But here we go, guys. Let's get cracking into these. And we have to, it's Scarlet and Violet. It's springtime. A little bit of cleaning, spring cleaning. Got that fresh air. Got that Pokemon packs. Just that sound. Ooh. We are in it for another one, guys. I don't know the pack trick. I think it's like what, 1 to the front. Okay, yeah. 1 to the front, guys. Whew. First time opening up Scarlet and Violet, and I'm like nervous but like happy, because look at that border. It's a little different. Got a little silver border disorder. Look at that Pokemon. A Charlotte. Loinka. Starly. Can't go wrong with a Starly. Little tarantula guy. Look at him. Starpator. Star Adapter, or whatever. I do apologize, guys. I mean. But yeah, into these packs. You know what we're trying to pull, man. I mean, we got that Miriam. I mean, we got top 3 right here. Boom, boom, boom. That's what we're trying to look for today. In our first reverse holo, we got a Caps Kid. I do believe there is 2 in here. A Klefki. All right, that's pretty neat. Look at that. And the last and final one. Oh, an EX. Look at that. Pretty neat. Sweet. I love the pattern on that. You just see that shining. Well, guys, all right. Put that guy in the back. Open up our next one with the 3 starters on there. You can't go wrong with that. Wish me luck on that. 3 starters. Oh. But it's got toxicity. Hope everybody's enjoying this new set. This is my first time opening it. And I am like doped. Doped, if that's even like a word. What did I just say? Alright. I'm excited. Let's just say that. We got water energy. We got another little tarantula. Raulu. Magneton. Alright. Got a little claw. Seltzer. Claw seltzer, whatever. Some band. Toxicity. Alright, look at that. Little evolved form from him, you know. Pretty neat. Growlithe. I'll get these names down here, you know. It's my first pack, you know. Oh! What is that? A jock? What? What is that? Oh! These packs were flame. My lady actually picked those packs out, and she had some lucky hands. Holy smackerels. That is beautiful. Look at that. Wake up, wake up. We got packs to pull. Put you on this side. Well, you know what? Let me put you in a little sleeve. Gotta keep that nice. Centering might be a little off, but oh. A little lightning. It's aight. No worries. If you guys didn't see that last code card, I couldn't remember if I... Alright, now we're back to these tins. The moment you guys have been waiting for. What you guys have clicked on the video for. We're going to start with the Galarian Moltres. And yes, like I've had him on the channel before, Philip. Handy dandy. He's coming at it again, tearing stuff up. Opening that. Let's see what. Let's get a look on in the back here. We got legendary Pokemon from Galarian into battle. If I even said that right. The Pokemon TCG Crown Zenith 10 includes, as you can see right there, we got 4 packs in each 10, ladies and gentlemen. So I don't know what you guys think, but I think I'm team. I don't know. I either team Articuno or team Moltres. Let's take a look at this. Wow. Pretty neat, guys. I don't know how you... Looks like... No other way of doing it. There's that code card for you guys. Good luck to whoever received that. Got the Moltres. It's pretty flame. Should have 4. It's just empty. Nice little Moltres on the front there. You guys collect them tins. Got them 4 packs. Alrighty, we are back. I decided just to crack those open real fast to get them out of the way so I can shorten up this video for you guys. But there's the Articunos and there's the Zapdos's packs. But here's the beautiful bird right here. Look at that. I like that artwork. Not gonna lie. Artwork was pretty cold if you ask me. Look at that. And then the Zapdos. If you guys are team Zapdos, there you are right there. Look at that. Well, it's got me sweating. Look at that. calm down right there. Ooh. There goes PSA 10. Just kidding. Probably wouldn't get those graded. If I did, I don't know. All right, we're gonna start with the Moltres, guys. Ain't no messing around. We're getting right to it. Here we go. First pack, Crown Zenith. Here we go. This pack feels a little loose. I don't know what that means. It's a sign. Four to the front, go for the hunt. 6 to the back to complete this pack. And on the front here is the 3 we are looking for today, ladies and gentlemen. I know. We need to get going on those polls. Cricket Top, Pawn, Yanma, Chat, Love Disc. Oh, Swablu. And a Cloudrex. Alright. Not too bad. Next pack. You guys already haven't watched it, or if you have watched it, I posted a video of the Crown Zenith, the ETB opening. These right there if you haven't already. Go give that a watch. Before this one, after this one, it doesn't really matter. Just spreading the love of Pokemon content is all here. What we are about. That one, I had some pretty decent pulls in that one. I'm not gonna lie. It was pretty nice. You guys got to go check that one out. Aaron, Cricketot. I'm not no spoilers. No spoilers. You gotta go check it out for yourself. Boltoy and a Whale Lord. Not too shabby. Next pack. Ooh, that code card's bent. Who doesn't love a bent code card? I do. I love a bent code card. I'm just kidding. It doesn't matter to me. Really, it doesn't. Check and shoes. Great ball. Bidoof. Coughing. Sunkern. Mr. Mime. Shinx. Oh! Radiant Arturnus. Oh man, why do I boofed that, didn't I? Wow. Eternus. Look at that. That was pretty sick. You ask me. Came out a little bit. I need to put this in. Let's see that, but yeah, that's pretty sweet. Oh yeah, last pack magic for this box. I mean, we got the Swablu, or Swablu, and then the Radiant. So, I mean, not too bad for that pack. I mean, Scarlet and Violet just kicked this out of the water. And, I mean, it was just 2 packs. But, hey, it's all right. Got that middle energy. Energy switch it up to a electric for Pikachu or an Amogla. Scyther, Starlay, and all right, nothing. It's okay. All right, Articuno, I chose you, so let's see what's if you had the best stuff out of here, because Ultras didn't look too hot right there, but that's okay. Meltang, Energy Switch, another Trekking, Baltoon, Meow, Welmer, Shinx, Cruppish, Scizor, and a Hilo. Yeah, I'm excited. I mean, the Crown Zenith already is like boom of a set, and then they just come out with Scarlet and Violet. But hey, I ain't in charge of Pokemon. They just do their thing. I'm happy with it. luck. Sun. Coffee. Oddish. Energy. Yanma. Oh, and a Pikachu! Yeah! Whoa! Whoa! Look at that! Oh, it's even textured. I didn't know this card was textured. That's so sick. Luck, guys. Luck. Don't know what else to say. I mean, yeah, it's a little off-center, but hey. That is awesome, guys. Pokemon community bringing me the good luck today. I really do hope you guys enjoy these videos. I enjoy them. I love opening up Pokemon. Something I have not, or something I was not able to do as a kid very much. And then, you know, I kind of just got out of it because I didn't really like the way the arts looked. I know, like the EXs and stuff. I don't know. I wish I could go back in time, I wish, but we're here today and doing what I wish I could have done as a kid. And for people at home that can't open packs all the time and just want to sit back and relax and watch, there you are. So I appreciate that. And if you do like what I do on the channel, give me a like and subscribe. It's always pleasant when I get a new subscriber, especially on that new giveaway when I reach 100. Another pawn. Bidoof. Potion. Mr. Mime. Duskull. Cool. Cool for the Duskull. Next and final 4 packs, ladies and gentlemen. Yeah, the Duskull was the only thing the Articuno got, so sorry for that, bud. But Zapdos is here, and see if he can come back. He was the underdog. I did choose him last. Shoal Rock. A lost vacuum. Well, you need to find your way home, bud. Welmer. Shinx. Cruppish. Another pawn. Ooh, an Entei. Look at that. Magnezone. That's pretty neat. Next. Did I mention I love the Crown Zenith pack artwork? Colors? I mean, not really that. It's just one art. But the fact that it's got gold. Another lost vacuum. Great Ball. Seal. Kricketot. Aron. Rolu. Starly. Shimmin. And a Luxray. Final 2 packs, guys. Again, if you're enjoying this video, don't be afraid to hit that like button and subscribe. And let me know what you guys want to see on the channel. I always like reading the comments. It's really cool. You guys support me, and it's awesome. Larvesta. And a Blossom. Last and final pack, everybody. Let's see what we can do. Man. And I didn't even say it though, but these tins were $19.99 or $98, I do believe. So I paid 20 smacks for each tin. And let me tell you, I think we got our money back. I don't know. A Pikachu alone, I know, was some good money, but it probably went down. Oddish. Oh! What is that? An experiment? What? Whoa! Whoa! That pack must have been heavy. Whoa, that's coming back, the underdog. Look at that. Professor's research and a Chloris's experiment. Wow. Okay, well, there's those two guys. And here's these two on the recap for the packs of what I pulled. My favorite one right here. Oh, I really wanted to pull that one. We got this guy from the Scarlet and Violet at the beginning. Magnezone. It's pretty nice artwork. He's in a factory. Get put to work. And this one's pretty dope. It's a 2-star. I know they started doing that. I didn't even look at the, it's a gold 2-star. So that's awesome. I'm excited, guys. But thank you if you made it to the end of the video. I appreciate it. And I will see you guys on the next one. Peace.